Good morning, everyone. It's Phil here from Phil's Fudge Factory. Today I am at the Sherwood, the St. Albert Farmers Market Saturday morning. It runs from 10 till 3. I'm actually filling in for Katrina, who is at the Edmonton Gun Show in Stoney Plain. Pretty sure it's Stoney Plain. It might be Spruce Grove, but I'm pretty sure it's Stoney Plain. And she runs from 10 until 4 o'clock, I believe. So this is a quite a huge market, probably the best one in Edmonton, although I'm not 100% sure. Can't walk around, it's just that large, and we're just a few moments away from starting. So I'll give you a quick peek and there you go. It's huge. We're on St. Anne Street, sort of on the east end of St. Anne Street, I would say. Lots of vendors going around the corner. And all the way down there, and I mean all the way down there. It's huge. And we are set up right over here. So we've got this light blue tent. We're right beside the henna and Veravonga's vegetables. There's lots of food to eat. I just had an omelet with fried potatoes and toast, a cup of coffee from the people that sell the green onion cakes. It was very, very filling.
Well, yeah. Well, that's right.
Okay, so today I'm at the St. Albert Farmers Market. Katrina's at the Edmonton Gun Show. The St. Albert Farmers Market runs from 10 until 3. The gun show from 10 until 4. So thanks for taking the time to watch, and we will see you from our next show.